Yeah, the ET1 warmed up for a few minutes there, and now we'll see how long it wants to run spinning those. Yeah, and hopefully, seeing it quit immediately is that I was talking about it. I will set up a different way to run in 3 and 2 on the generator box, but for now, we'll just let these run out for the day, and we'll keep working that generator box in until it's suitable for testing with. I was gonna say it was warm. I should have thought to hand start it again, so there we go.